English Fast, helping intermediate learners of English build vocabulary fast. CEFR B2. Internal, marketing, trip. Internal. Internal is an adjective. B2 learners usually know internal. Internal means existing or happening inside a person, object, organization, place, or country. Here are some examples. They knocked down the old internal walls. The doctor realized that she had internal bleeding. Short internal flights are less stressful than long international ones. Marketing. Marketing is a noun. B2 learners usually know marketing. Marketing refers to work that involves encouraging people to buy a product or a service. Here are some examples. The course teaches marketing skills. A marketing campaign started well before the product launch. For a small business, marketing may seem to be an expensive luxury. Trip. Trip is a verb. B2 learners usually know trip. At B2, to trip means to fall or almost fall when walking or running. Here are some examples. Be careful not to trip. She shot out her foot to trip up the horrid boy. She tripped over her own feet and fell down the stairs. In the comments below, write some of your own sentences with internal, marketing and trip. Email the editor at englishfast.co.uk for the CEFR B2 worksheets. Subscribe on YouTube to learn more.